Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly your smooth ride turns into a shaky mess because your engine decided to drop a cylinder without your permission. If your scanner is showing a P3474 code, your vehicle is telling you there is a performance problem in the cylinder 10 deactivation or intake valve control circuit. This is a generic OBD2 powertrain code that shows up on many vehicles made from 1996 to the present, especially on heavy hitters like Chevrolet, Ram, or Dodge with larger engines. Basically, your engine has this clever feature to save fuel by turning off specific cylinders during light loads, sort of like a V8 dropping down to a V4 mode. In your case, the ECM, or engine control module, is trying to manage cylinder number 10 by engaging a deactivation solenoid, but it has detected a voltage or resistance issue that is messing up the process. This is not something you should ignore, because when the computer gets confused, it might just shut off the fuel injector to that cylinder entirely to protect the engine, which leaves you with a very noticeable and annoying misfire. The severity here can jump from moderate to severe pretty quickly, because a constant misfire can beat up your internal engine components over time. You might notice your fuel economy tanking, or that your check engine light is staring you in the face. The most common culprit is often a defective deactivation solenoid, but do not go out and buy a new part just yet. Low engine oil level or poor oil pressure can also trigger this, because these systems rely heavily on clean oil to function. Start by checking your oil dipstick and looking at your service records. If the oil is dirty or low, that is your first move. Then, look for any frayed wires or corroded connectors near the intake where the solenoids live. If you are comfortable with a digital multimeter, you should check for continuity and proper voltage ranges based on your specific vehicle service manual. Remember, 0 ohms of resistance is what you want to see for healthy wiring. Fixing a blocked oil passage or simply changing your oil and filter might be all you need to get that cylinder back in the game.